Hi, I'm Dan from .med. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our product offerings and give you a progress update on our active recall notifications pilot. Let's get started. The interconnected system that facilitates access to product ordering, data, and communication for trade partners on the pharmaceutical and medical supply chain is the Internet. The functionality of connecting disparate login portals, email systems, and databases of information are used by entities of every type and size. The simplicity of typing in a domain name, searching for a company, or logging into a portal has become second nature. But it is this common nature that is the challenge. How do we verify? How does one know that an endpoint, website, email, or some behind-the-scenes connection is authoritative? Can it be trusted? Am I working with a trade partner in good standing at this particular moment? .med enhances the interconnectedness of trade partners by assigning domain names to entities and endpoints after thorough identity and license status verification methods. Guaranteeing interactions of all types done over the internet or through direct behind-the-scenes computer-to-computer interactions are valid and logged, offering trade partners scalable solutions to meet DSCSA requirements. .med's domain names will be available at low to zero cost for most trade partners, and we have already put in place the infrastructure and people to accomplish endpoint verification and domain registration. By anchoring emails, websites, portals, and data access points with .med domains, we validate authority and status. Our restriction of .med domain names to the pharmaceutical and medical supply chain ensures interactions are trustworthy and is the foundation for our product offerings. Real-time trade partner verification with .med is an easily integratable application, allowing trade partners to verify every transaction in the moment, knowing that eligibility for a domain registration was met and license verification checks are ongoing. This distributed model can be seen in other restricted top-level domains like .gov and .edu, both fielding constant requests and verifying status in a standardized and reliable way. Through HTG and with the collaboration of industry stakeholders, .med is applying our technology to build enhanced solutions that improve how recall notifications are sent, received, and monitored, while also bringing new capabilities to dispensers like product verification. Enhanced recall notifications with .med provides manufacturers with a new strategy to communicate critical notifications to both direct and indirect ship-tos in near real time. The .med recall notification system validates delivery, classifies entity responses, and provides enhanced audit reporting for manufacturers, while expediting delivery of notifications to dispensers. Our recall notification system is modern, digitized, and built around improving patient safety. Much like enhanced recall notifications, product verification from .med brings new technological abilities to dispensers. Domain names verifying the authority of a data access point and communication lanes enables real-time product-level status checks for authorized trade partners. Dispensers and trade partners can validate one another, request product status, and receive responses confidently. .med domains also provide dispensers persistent and authoritative locations to access transaction data. By making serialized data storage and accessibility endpoints, pass-throughs, available to manufacturers and distributors, .med is able to offer programmatic or portal access to dispensers so that they may obtain transaction data regardless of time, relationship status between trade partners, or size of the dispenser. Communication requests are not easily facilitated today. Complex and non-dedicated technologies sit between the requester of information and the holder. Where do I begin my search for a point of contact? How can I validate that my request has been seen? Does the recipient of my message know that I am an authoritative and eligible requester of information? Our allocation of .med to verify the authority of trade partners and their internet locations of information creates a communication system where the requester, the message, and the recipient are validated. Communication through .med can be done through integrated existing software or by using allocated .med email addresses and entity contact directory. Our verified and targeted end-to-end communication system gives information requesters and providers confidence and consistency for their requests in an unobtrusive way. We are proud to say that our domain name registration and assignment system is live. We have the ability today to create a .med domain for a trade partner, verify their license status, and assign that domain. .med domain names are not available outside of the pharmaceutical and medical supply chain. We've restricted it. Because of this commitment, we have been able to make significant progress in developing solutions for ATP verification, recall notifications, product lookups, transaction data, and targeted communication requests. We are actively designing our solutions with industry stakeholders while participating in the Healthcare Transformation Group, who sponsors our recall notification and dropship working groups, the Partnership for DSCSA Governance, the Healthcare Distribution Alliance, and the more recently formed Open Credentialing Initiative, whose focus is on methods of credentialing for application and verifying authorized trade partner status. Our vision is a distribution of authoritative endpoints that allows the pharma and medical supply chain to identify status in the moment, makes tracing data accessible, and facilitates requests and responses between authoritative parties. .med will provide a patient-first ecosystem that makes critical recall, tracing, and product verification data available to all dispensers at the points in time that the data is needed. Our domain names and supporting applications will offer a standardized path for pharma and medical supply chain trade partners to meet DSCSA requirements. Our industry collaboration and commitment to solving complex problems for the pharma and medical supply chain have allowed us to make significant progress in short periods of time. .med's enhanced drug recall notification system currently supports the ability for a manufacturer to initiate a drug recall that contains all required components. They are additionally provided reporting on recall notification acknowledgments. Wholesalers and dispensers can digitally receive and acknowledge recall notifications regardless of direct or indirect ship-to status. Programmatic sending and receiving of acknowledgments has also been completed and validated through existing data service providers serving the pharma and medical supply chain. Our path forward is clear, and we are currently developing the ability to send recall notifications to dispensers based on received lot and NDC numbers. Additionally, in our second phase of development, .med will provide the ability to classify acknowledgments and provide audit reports capable of being exported and sent by manufacturers. If you're interested in learning how .med can help your organization and want to learn more about each of our products, visit us at www.trust.med or give us a call. Have a great day.